Loves, today I'm coming to you guys with a video of a wig install with a lace closure. I've been trying to put videos out there for you guys, but my computer, well, Apple just been showing out because it's both my MacBook and my phone just been acting up with glitches and all that stuff. So this is my wig. Let me show you all the construction. This is my lace closure. I bleached the knots and then I dyed the hair black, so the lace itself at the bottom is kind of black, but if you part it on top, it looks like a natural brown. So I've been wearing this. I wore it when I just started wearing it, like in a side part, so I am gonna stick with the side parts. I did not really disturb it when I washed the wig. I'm just gonna have to neaten it up. This closure is a Swiss closure from Queen Beauty Products. I got it off of AliExpress, and the hair on this is from Virgin Hair for Us. This is a vendor that I know out of Memphis. That I was kind of able to get some cornrows in my hair, so to get this wig on. But let's go ahead and get this thing started. So these are my slick kind of cornrows that I was able to get, and on my roots, I've been using this Dr. Miracle follicle healer, and this thing is the truth. Like, it's not very, it's only $4.99, but it's like the truth, because when I shaved my sides, I was like, oh my god, why did I do that? But legit, within like 3 weeks, I saw hair coming back out. It started filling back out in spots that I thought will never grow. So I just take some of this in my I think this is called a dropper. You can put it in your scalp too, but a little bit goes a long way. Y'all don't judge me about my cornrows. I'm doing the best that I can with my hair, and you just rub it in. So I just spread that all over my hair. Next off, I'm gonna take my Shea Moisture, and this is Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. So I take 2 pumps in my hand and I go along my braids. And the reason I'm doing this is because when you put a wig on, you don't want to neglect your hair. I'm just gonna brush this because, you know, all the hair is not in the corners. And you see how white like my scalp be on some extra stuff. Next, I'm gonna take my stocking cap. It's a flesh tone icon. So this is my closure. It's a 3x4, and this is the wig. I think it's one of my best constructed caps. I'm gonna prematurely place this on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and sew in this direction. So next, you're gonna do this exact same thing on the other side. So loves, as I told you guys, I usually just try to find my braid and I pull out the hair that's on the outside of that. So obviously this is about an inch on the inside of my wig. So my wig is all installed, and you can see I still have somewhat of my side part remaining. The way I sewed my closure down, I could part it down the middle. And of course you're gonna have to do some defining on the parts, but I'm just showing you guys the different options I have. So I could wear it as a middle part, thing that's the middle of my head, and I could also wear it on this side of my head. Then I take my concealer brush from e.l.f. and I go into my cream powder foundation from Sasha, and I got this on Pennywise in Trinidad. Then I start putting the product like from my edge, go in. Voila! My wig is completely installed. I take my Pro Bliss wand and I just gently pull the hair and I flatten out my part. Well, just flatten the hair around the part. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my another video. Love y'all. Bye.